What's going on, guys? We got a small little unboxing here. This is the Vevor diesel heater that I bought. Let's give her a good go look. See what we got. You ready? Ooh, it's pretty. I don't know what it comes with though. So I got the heater, but here, hold that camera. Oh, there's that must be the piping.
I'm gonna turn that other light on.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
There's the manual. I don't know how much time I got. Diesel heater. I'm not gonna fire it up or anything tonight, but it's all the stuff that goes with it.
Is this for your camp out?
Yeah, this is for, it's 12 volt, the diesel heater.
And
What
were you going to use it for?
Ice fishing.
Oh, okay.
It's forced air diesel heater
Oh,
for
that's
ice
cool.
fishing. You gotta make sure you're recording.
Yeah, I am.
But yeah, that's it. It takes diesel. I gotta read up on it more. Might take some other types of fuels. Not bad price. It was like $100.
That's a pretty good deal.
Yep. And I'm gonna do more when I play with it. I'll make another video, but I just want to show everybody. Pretty awesome. See ya.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take